Lumel is the #1 Power BI AppSource partner. At Lumel, we help enterprises deliver connected reporting and planning applications. Our offerings are unique in that we utilize your existing data platform investments and deliver cost savings by avoiding expensive ETL and complex customizations. For example, if you take planning, we bring planning to your data, rather than requiring you to create new data silos or data marts. Our storytelling offerings help customers migrate from Tableau, Spotfire, Qlik, and other legacy BI platforms and consolidate them within Microsoft Power BI. Our reporting capabilities help customers do advanced paginated reports, financial reports, IBCS reports, and retire legacy reporting solutions. We deliver cutting-edge real-time, integrated planning capabilities in Power BI. Lumel has been recognized as the best new vendor for enterprise performance management by BPM Partners in 2024. Our reference data product Editable helps you manage your master data, reference data, and metadata from a reporting and planning perspective. Our products also support project management and performance management needs, and these are very popular with the Microsoft user base. Overall, just as Microsoft provides Office 365 productivity applications, Lumel delivers an entire suite of productivity apps for connected data. Lumel's products are used by more than 3,000 customers worldwide. We are backed by a decade of experience and have more than 250 employees. Reach out to us to learn more.